Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel PMN Online. If you've been trading with Zerodha and encountered the message, the exchange connection adapter did not accept the order, please retry, then you know how frustrating this Zerodha share sell reject issue can be. Based on user experiences and specific market conditions, we have a highly effective, quick fix for this error, especially when trading in cash stocks. We'll show you how to change the exchange from NSE to BSE to execute your sale instantly. The quick fix, selling on the alternative exchange BSE. This specific Zerodha share sell reject error often occurs due to temporary liquidity issues, order routing glitches, or specific exchange side delays on the National Stock Exchange, NSE. The solution is simple. Move the transaction to the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Here is the step-by-step fix to sell rejected shares. Cancel the rejected order. If your current sell order is stuck or rejected on NSE, cancel it immediately in your Zerodha Kite order book. Verify cash stock. This fix will work only in cash stocks, CNC. Remember, you cannot square off futures and options, F&O, positions of NSE on BSE and vice versa, as these are contract-specific. This method is strictly for equity delivery or intraday cash segments. Place new sell order on BSE. Go to your holdings or positions in Zerodha Kite. Select the same stock you wish to sell. When placing the new sell order, look for the exchange option, usually visible near the quantity and price fields. Change the exchange from NSE to BSE. Execute. Place the sell order at the desired price on the BSE exchange. You will find that the stock, which was rejected on NSE, is going to be sold easily on BSE. This quick adjustment resolves the Zerodha exchange rejection error and allows you to complete your transaction immediately. Bonus tip: accumulating on the downside. This exchange switching flexibility is also useful for buying. If you are accumulating shares on a downside and your buy order on NSE is rejected or stuck due to low liquidity at a specific price, simply switch the exchange to BSE and place your buy order there. This ensures you can access the full liquidity pool across both exchanges when accumulating your cash stocks. By using this exchange switch technique, you gain better control over your trades and effectively fix the Zerodha share sell reject error instantly. Hopefully, this guide helped you resolve your trading issue on the platform. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. We at PMN Online are committed to helping you navigate the markets with these crucial practical tips. Subscribe to the channel PMN Online for more trading and finance guides.